You can source both ready-to-ship and customizable products on Alibaba.com. Customizable options allow you to build products from scratch, add logos, and negotiate specific terms with suppliers. All you need to do is specify customization needs, confirm custom order upon alignment, proceed to checkout. To specify your customization needs, start by chatting with a supplier via Alibaba.com. Already got a rough idea about what you want? Send an inquiry to show you're interested and learn more about the product. Know exactly how you want to customize your products or just have light customization requirements? On a product page, tap Chat Now, select the product, tap Send Order Request. Fill out the customization details, such as the quantity, confirm, and submit. And wait for the supplier to contact you with custom offers. Once you and the supplier align on the order details, now it's time to enter the details. Confirm your order amount, shipping method, destination, and other order details. Then, proceed to checkout by tapping Send Initial Payment. Alibaba.com supports over 20 secure payment methods, from credit to debit cards to digital payment services and wire transfers, not to mention online transfer platforms. Say you're paying with a credit or debit card. Provide your card information, submit, and proceed to pay. Remember to submit your information for tax exemption to avoid sales tax or VAT charges. Order, pay, customize it your way. Oh, and keep all your communication and transactions on the Alibaba.com platform so your purchases are protected from payment to delivery with trade assurance.